Hey guys, I'm back again with a new video on my channel. So, putting my slime in my table. I call it my slime table because I always play my slime. I always play with my slime at this table. So, it's my slime table now. Ooh, so, well, if y'all smell the slime, it smells just like, it smells like birthday cake. Smell really good. No, I did not make the slime. I bought some from Walmart. Oh, since y'all think I just had change, I've been changed. So scratchy. It dropped. Then you have the noise. Oh, I did a bubble, y'all.
I did a bubble.
Oh, y'all look. Y'all see the bubble? Okay.
Don't make a bunch bubble. Make a bunch bubble.
Oh, yeah, I already see a bubble. Y'all, and don't think I put the these beast thing in here. Everything that's in this slime came with it. So yeah. Okay. Whoa, you see the bubble? I mean the thing. I'm finna mix it in. And 1, 2, 3, go. I mixed it in. Oh, yeah. Gotta throw it. Gotta throw it.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Drop some and 1, 2, 3,
go.
It's make you want to eat it. I'm gonna do it like an ice cream. Stop coughing off me. Okay, guys.
I made a papa.
Yeah, I'm gonna do my. Okay, I'm gonna do my birthday cake slime. Okay, so I need the crush first. I guess I need to crush all over. Oh no. Okay, I don't know what this is. What is this, guys? But this what it came in. This Nicola, whatever. But this the slime. Nickelio slime. And then it say
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
but yeah.
4, 6, 7.
Yeah. But like I said, what was that? Oh no. Yes. Y'all look why these different. Look, y'all, let me show y'all something. Stop, Jalen. Why do y'all? Wait, not too low. Stop. So y'all, it's y'all can't see but it's pink. On here it show white, but it's not white, it's pink. So yeah, why is white? Why is white on the screen, but it's pink? Cause see, it say pink, 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 not white. White on the screen, but in person.
This the pink, 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 pink.
Yeah, I'm tired of cooking them. Ooh, and it's just wrong. My camera just wrong. So yeah, today I'm recording off my phone just for today. That is like, y'all see me. Jenny, stop coughing on me. Y'all see me. Okay, so y'all sit back at my table. My table. Oh no, y'all trick y'all. I don't know what you guys want.
Pew, pew, pew.